Susan.
Everything is content.
Lady.
Yes.
'Tis time.
For.
More.
The circle of...
Doorables.
The circle of...
The Doorables seance. But because you have help, we're doing a village peak.
We could.
It's not the village people, it's a village
I'm sorry,
peak.
she keeps saying village peaks, and I want to think. I think village people, and I
Is it
want to
this
do the
one?
YMCA.
YMCA.
It's fun to stay at the
YMCA.
Do you really want to hurt me? Oh!
think
Do
it's
you
6, 7,
really
8.
want to make me
is.
cry? That's from Shrek. So I think this is 7 and 8, just 7 and 8.
7 and 8 are on here.
Yes, but we also have just one that's 7 and 8 paper over there. But we're gonna get this open and take a
I'm
look.
excited about the house.
Yes, so you and Susan are gonna open this up,
We're
okay?
investing in real estate now. We fancy.
Fancy, we are fancy.
All right, Susan, Linda, let's get this open, okay?
Got it.
I am Linda. She is correct.
I'm just.
She's Gretchen.
I'm
This is
just
Series
Gretchen.
9. This is...
Would you like to eat the box?
In this economy, we can afford another house. Yeet.
And look, it's like a slinky.
It's an accordion.
Accordion.
All right, shall we get all of the Doorables out?
We got 24 to do. Lego.
How much alcohol have these two had?
I haven't
Enough.
had. Look on this side. Look how cute.
Oh.
Yzma?
Please be an
Yzma.
Yzma.
We hope there's Yzma. All right, let's let these two get started. Come on, crazy people. We are doing a little fanfare.
Witchery.
Abracadabra.
Alakazam, I put a spell on you.
And now you're mine.
Mine,
And we're gonna
oh
start
mine.
with Series 8.
Yes.
Linda. My name's Reverend.
I was just about to say it. What's yours?
I just did.
All right, they're going to start with Series 8. Let's give them a moment to cop a
Yes.
feel, I guess. I don't know.
No.
Susan is feeling violent.
To try and guess, there's only one person that can do that for me, and he's in the other room.
And messing with the television.
Yes. And that is for Papa.
And he is
Anyhow.
scaring the bejeebus out of all of us. All right. Let them
We
try
will-
to guess.
We will try and guess.
All right, so what do you think you have?
I am guessing Wreck-It Ralph, and I'm thinking King Candy, but we shall
Yes,
see.
Greg, who do you think it is?
I think it's the black card or the card guard from Alice in Wonderland.
All right,
I don't know.
let's pull them out.
It is not.
It is not.
It's even better.
But I have Pegasus.
Oh!
And Pegasus is a common, but we don't have them.
He doesn't matter. He's rare.
And
He's
it-
rare.
I have Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski, good.
Not
We do
this
not have
one,
that Mike
no.
Wazowski, so this
two
is great.
commons, but two new ones.
Yes,
Yes, I
I'm
like
really
Mike
excited.
Wazowski.
All right, you two may try to guess the next ones. All right, Susan, who do you think it is? I'm putting you on the spot.
It's a Tweedle.
Okay. Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm going to change mine. I'm hoping for Moana, but I don't think it is. But
Oh,
I'll
it
have
is
for Moana.
not. I have a dupe, though.
We do have a dupe. This is Fred.
This is
Fred.
Fred.
His name is Fred, and
But
he
he's
is from
pretty.
Big Hero 6.
Wait a minute.
But he's already in the circle over there.
Oh, wait. This
Oh,
is...
you have,
So?
Fred turning red. You have
May.
mine.
Dupe.
May?
You got May.
May. Do we have May?
We do
We
not
do not
have
have
May.
May.
We only have Panda May, so this is another new one.
Yeah, and
Yay.
she's a common.
Yes, and if anybody wasn't paying attention, Fred is in here. So that's another one for La Jade
Yes.
Dupe. Keep guessing, humans. Who
I
is
think I
it?
have Moana.
Okay.
I'm thinking Candlehead from Wreck-It Ralph, but
All right.
yes.
Oh,
I am
I
right.
have Lotso.
Wait, that's a special.
this is a scent-
That's a scented one. What's he
Oh,
smell
it
like?
smells like strawberry.
Mama, smell it.
And you have Candlehead.
Yeah,
Candle hand does not
wow.
smell. Candle hand
That
smells.
was great. Just
All I'm
the base.
smelling is your...
Too bad you're evil.
So here's Candlehead, and she's very, very cute.
She is
Two new
very
ones.
cute. So 2 new ones. Time to guess the last ones
Oh,
from
I know
Series
mine.
8.
I know her.
Who do you think?
I think maybe Megara.
If it's Megara, I'll be excited.
I'm thinking one of the cards from Alice in Wonderland.
Okay.
So let's find out.
Let's see if it.
And it is... Oh, look at this. It's a double. Okay, this is...
Oh, that's the
Oh,
red
red
card.
card.
Ultra, and we have 2.
But I got young Tiana.
Oh, we do
who's
not
a
have
new
her
one,
yet.
and she is a common.
That one can go in the dupe jar.
La Jade Dupe.
La
You should
Jade
trade
Dupe.
that.
Yes,
That's the
very
ultra rare.
nice.
You should trade that.
On to Series 9.
Doing...
Yay.
blue.
All right, who do you think it is, Greg?
22.
A bug from Bug's Life.
Who is it?
Oh, I'm wrong.
You got Flit.
I got Flint.
Oh, you got a Kakamora. Oh,
the same
good.
Kakamora
No, we
that
have
we have?
another Kakamora.
This one is the
Okay.
same though. of
Yes.
This is a dupe.
All right, so let's put Flit, even though he's
Oh,
cute,
my Flit is cute.
in the dupe jar. Dupe, 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 dupe. All right,
Kakamora, where's
time
it?
to guess the next ones. Also, we lied. We are on Series 10, not Series 9. The colors were a lie. Please keep guessing. Who do you think it is?
Gronk.
I'm hoping something from Coco, so we'll see. Let's
Oh, I did not get Gronk. I got Pinocchio.
You got Pinocchio. We
Which
have
is a
this
dupe.
one. This one's a
see.
dupe.
This is one of
Oh, you have the
princess-
special edition.
That's a special
Snow White.
edition Snow White.
Oh, it is.
Yes, we don't
White.
have
That
her
is
yet.
pretty.
We don't
Now,
have
Greg,
her.
would you like to keep him, or are you just going to keep him in the
I'm
jar?
putting him in the jar to dupe.
All right, another addition to the jar of dupes. On to the next one. For everybody's reference, this is our little Snow White that we got. Look at how cute she is. We now have 4 or 5 of the special edition ones from this line.
Oh, I think
Who do you think it is?
I'm guessing Butch from Good Dinosaur.
Okay, Mom.
I'm thinking a Wally character.
All right.
So let's see.
Wow, it's Atlantis, but this is
Ooh,
Kira.
ooh, I
You
love
are
her.
correct, though.
Yes,
You have
this is
Mo. Mo.
You
Emma.
Mo, very nice. So this is a
That's
new
one.
Wally
That's
character.
And that one is
Oh,
a...
she's an ultra rare.
Ooh,
What is Emma? What's... Oh.
He's over here.
very
He's a
nice.
rare.
I'm excited. I
Rare.
love
Cool.
We
Atlantis.
put a rare and an ultra.
All
Very
right.
nice. We got a
My
rare
last
and an
one
ultra, and
is-
this one is a common. So keep on guessing, people. Who do you think it is?
I'm going to guess Percy from Pocahontas.
All right, Greg,
I don't want to say my guess. 'Cause
Okay.
I think
check if you're right.
Oh, I am wrong. Wait.
I am wrong.
Wait. Oh, no, wait. This is from Emperor's New
Greg, you got Pacha!
I don't have Hotshot, and I have
Sir Hiss. Okay, so Sir Hiss
Not
is
who I thought it was.
that is a dupe. So you
We
can
got
put
a
Sir
dupe.
Hiss in the dupe jar.
Pacha, and Pacha is a
A rare.
rare.
So we got 5 new ones from Series 10. Very good. They are now on to Series 9. Who is it?
Now I think it's 22.
Okay.
I'm thinking Pooh from the Half a Lot movie.
Okay.
Hallelujah. I
I
am right.
am right.
Yay! 2 new
Two
ones.
ones.
Mine is a rare.
And Pooh is a common.
All right.
We love Pooh.
Thank you.
Love Pooh.
I love the shiny texture that's on like these 22. We've got four more for each of them. No, 3 more for each of them, and then we will be done for the night with
I would love it if
Doorables.
this- I am guessing Cricky from Mulan.
Okay.
I'm guessing Little Sea Monster.
I am
Okay.
wrong.
It is not Little Sea Monster, but it is Luca, who is a duplicate.
Yes.
And I think this one is
That one is also a duplicate, but that's
But
Little
that one is
Brother.
ultra
This is
rare.
Little Brother
We're
from
keeping
Mulan.
Little Brother
Because he's ultra rare.
because I love Little Brother. Because Mulan is one of
Y'all
my favorites.
should see her right now. You ain't prying that from her clutches.
Nope. It's a duplicate. I don't care. All right. We've got 2 left from each of them. Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm guessing Judy Hopps.
Okay. Who do
I'm
you think it
guessing
is?
Alberto from Luca.
All right.
Not.
No, you got Princess Ada.
Oh no, wait, this is he's
Oh
from
wait, or is that
Jim
Dot?
Nick.
Is that Dot?
Hang on, I need to see if
No, this is
No,
Nick.
I got
This
We
is
got
Nick.
Nick.
I got Princess Ada.
Okay, we already have
you
her,
have.
so
This
she's
is
a
Nick
dupe.
from Zootopia.
You
Is she
Nick
a
from
dupe?
Zoot.
I don't know if Nick is a dupe. Hold
Open
on,
yours.
checking. Zootopia's right around here.
No.
No, he's not. He's new. What is his rarity?
He's a common.
All right, and we have 2 ones left. 2 ones left.
Oh, I
2
have a
more
car.
left in
I have
here.
a car without a doubt. I have a
Mom will
car.
be excited if it's a car she doesn't have. Please
I
hold.
don't-
Who do you think it is?
Judy Hopps.
Okay.
I got a car. I think it's Doc.
All right.
Oh no, it is not.
Who is it?
It is not.
It is
I
Minnie
got
Mouse
Lightning.
from the 20s.
Oh, that's a new one, and that Lightning is a dupe. But
is.
I think you have somebody who would probably like that.
yes.
But
Walk Child.
This is called manslaughter of the 11th degree.
But we do have a lover of Lightning McQueen, and that would be
Tristan, our little cousin.
my great nephew Tristan, who is
Yes.
3.
So let's
3?
put
Yes.
yes,
3.
let's
That
put
was the definition
Minnie
of
down
that,
here.
yes.
Yes, he would love Lightning.
And then, oh no, she's not standing up. So this is all the new ones that we got with this. Final comments. We only have 10 seconds.
I like Lotso.
All right, bye.
Bye.